Dear Enes, welcome to Athens. Thank you for being with us at Sky TV. So you're a famous basketball star. How is sports related to the protection of the environment? You are participating in a very important initiative for the afforestation of Greece in in areas that have been hit by the wildfires.
You know, I am an athlete. I am an NBA athlete, and I have a huge platform. And I really would like to use this platform to bring awareness about what's going on around the world. And I wanted to start something so beautiful in this country, because Greece has given me and also given my Turkish friends a second home. I know that how horrible the wildfires are in this country. That's why I am starting this beautiful initiative with my Turkish refugee friends living in this country, Sinesis Piggy Foundation, and I'm partnering with them to raise money for planting trees.
So from what I understand, your inspiration was Greece and your love for the Greek people.
I remember I saw that news around 3 years ago that there was this big wildfire in Greece. And I immediately called one of my friends who lives in Athens. I was like, I would like to help. So our plan is to collect as much as money we can for the next 5 to 6 months. And then we are going to have a conversation with the mayor's office. They know Greece better than all of us. They are going to show us a land where me and my friends will go and start planting trees.
Do you think that there could be a dialogue, an environmental dialogue, let's say, between Greece and Turkey with this initiative as a first example?
I think that this is the goal. We are each other's best neighbor, and I just want Turkish people to come here more often and trying to figure out ways to help our neighbor.
Κυρίες και κύριοι, σας περιμένουμε στο επόμενο επεισόδιο. Καλό σας βράδυ. Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα σας και καλώς ορίσατε στα Eco News by Day. Ο διάσημος Τούρκος αστέρας του NBA, Ενές Καντέρ, μπαίνει στη μάχη για την αναγέννηση των εδαφών που έχουν γίνει στάχτη από τις πυρκαγιές που έπληξαν τη χώρα μας. Αναλαμβάνει από κοινού με το Ίδρυμα Σύνεσης Πηγή μια αξιέπαινη πρωτοβουλία συγκέντρωσης χρημάτων για την αναδάσωση καμένων εκτάσεων. Ο ίδιος πρωτοστατεί δωρίζοντας $25.000 και στέλνει μέσω Sky μήνυμα φιλίας μεταξύ των δύο λαών.